Hello friends, welcome to Amrita ki rasoi. Today I have made mango ice cream and I am going to share secret tips to make soft ice cream. Please watch the video till the end. Also subscribe my channel for more videos. For mango ice cream, we need 2 ripe mangoes, 3/4 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of fresh cream and 150 milliliter of milk. Peel the mangoes, slice it and transfer it in a jar. Also add sugar and cream. We don't have to add milk at this point of time. And now grind the mixture for 1 minute. Fine paste is done. Smooth puree is done. Now transfer this smooth puree in a bowl. And at this time add milk slowly. Not in one shot, otherwise it won't mix well. So mix it well. And now the fine paste is ready. This is the freezing jar. Transfer the batter in this jar. And now we have to cover this jar and we have to refrigerate it for 2 hours. After 2 hours, this ice cream is half done. You can see that. And now this half done ice cream is again to be transferred in the jar. Here be careful. So this is the tips. We will transfer this half done ice cream in the jar so that ice cream will become soft. And now grind it for 30 seconds. Smooth fine paste is done. This is another freezing jar. Now again transfer the mixture in the freezing jar. Now cover this jar, pat it, and if you wish you can garnish it with some dry fruits, cherries, tutti frutti. This is completely optional, but if you will add, it will look great, it will taste great. And now another tips is that aluminium foil. We need to cover the jar with aluminium foil so that layer of ice do not form on the ice cream because it will make the ice cream hard. And again cover it, and now we have to refrigerate it for 7 hours. After 7 hours, remove the lid, foil. Now we can see that smooth soft ice cream is done. Wow, this is really looking nice, right? Now be careful in taking it out. Tilt it and slowly pat it so that it can come out nicely on the plate without any breakage. Yes, like this. Yes. Now this complete soft ice cream is done. You can see this color is superb. I have not added any color. I have not added corn flour. Also I have not added any condensed milk. Then also this ice cream is looking great, soft. Slice it, enjoy with your friends, family. And yes, if you want to decorate or if you want to garnish again, you can do that definitely. You can put some sliced mangoes on it. You can put some toppings. I hope you like my video.